Ever wondered where the ideas for these amazing hack packs come from? This is Dan, and he's a CrunchLabs toy designer.
Yeah, it's true. I work on the Hack Pack product line, which is hackable robotics.
So, what inspired you to become a toy creator?
I was really into building cool stuff primarily, which obviously there's a lot of different avenues for that. But the thing that really interested me in toys is that I could make basically like tiny, really cool things that are easy to bring places, they're relatively cheap, and they're easy to like show people. It's super easy to engage with a toy. So it was exciting in that I did a lot of metal work actually prior, which is like big, heavy. It's kind of hard to like show someone a big metal sculpture if they're in a different place. It was really cool with toys that I could like hop on a plane to go see a friend or go back home to visit my family and like throw the thing in my backpack and like take it out and immediately it kind of makes sense to someone. And it's just fun and awe-inspiring. It was not hard to convince me to make toys once I had the opportunity. Yeah, I wanted a field that gave a lot of creative freedom in particular.
Thanks.
Yeah, sweet. Thank you for having me.
If you thought this video was cool or want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below. It's completely free and it helps out a ton. If you're interested in getting your hands on a hack pack yourself, you can use the link in the description or go to CrunchLabs.com to learn more.